Welcome to Total Healing for the Mind, Body, and Soul, a motivational vlog for all aspects of the physical, mental, and spiritual conditions of the human experience. I'm your host, Heather Woods, owner of Total Healing Life Coaching. I hold multiple master certifications in life coaching with an emphasis on self-care and empowerment, as well as mindfulness and meditation. Today's topic, 9 tips to get started with essential oils. Let's dive in. I remember when I first discovered aromatherapy several years ago. I was fascinated by essential oils and excited to try using them. Not only can they be a lot of fun to experiment with, but they can also provide many benefits such as easing stress and anxiety, reducing inflammation, and providing pain relief. Here are some tips that can help you begin your aromatherapy journey. 1. Buy 1 or 2 aromatherapy books. Choose just 1 or 2 books to start your aromatherapy library. Select books that are general resources which can give you some basic information and then help you discover the areas that you enjoy the most. 2. Join aromatherapy discussion forums. Facebook groups, Instagram, Reddit, and other forums are great resources for aromatherapy newbies. Read through past discussions, ask questions, and learn from others. Number 3, choose 5 to 10 essential oils to begin. Though you may be tempted to buy more, try to begin with just 5 to 10 different essential oils. Essential oils can be quite expensive, so you may want to experiment with just a few at first. Then you can invest in more if you decide to pursue aromatherapy further. 4. Make sure to buy 100% pure, unadulterated essential oils. When you buy essential oils, choose a well-known and reputable manufacturer. Synthetic materials, fragrances, and perfume oils are not essential oils. They contain man-made chemicals and have no aromatherapeutic value. Number 5, buy at least 1 carrier oil. For nearly all topical aromatherapy applications, you will need to dilute essential oils into a carrier oil. Good all-purpose carrier oils include coconut oil, sweet almond oil, sunflower oil, and grapeseed oil, among many others. Buy cosmetic-grade carrier oils and use only a few drops of essential oils per ounce of carrier oil. Number 6, store your oils properly. Essential oils should be stored only in dark glass containers. Since essential oils are volatile, meaning they could evaporate when exposed to the environment, keep the vials tightly closed. Essential oils and carrier oils should be stored away from heat and light. Carrier oils will go rancid eventually, so it's best to buy smaller quantities. Number 7, learn how to do a patch test. When using essential oils topically, it's important to keep in mind that some essential oils can cause adverse reactions due to allergy or sensitization over time. A patch test helps to determine whether you might react to a particular essential oil. Learn how to perform a skin patch test on yourself with each new oil that you want to use topically. Here's a pro tip. Citrus oils contain a compound called limonene, which is derived from their peels. This compound can commonly irritate one's skin and may even cause severe allergic reactions. Tingling, redness, burning, and blisters can all occur when exposed to skin, and in rare cases, anaphylaxis is possible. Always dilute any citrus oils and be extra conservative with the amounts that you use. Number 8, don't use aromatherapy with children or pets. Until you are thoroughly familiar with essential oils and their associated safety issues, don't use them on children or pets or while pregnant or breastfeeding. Cats in particular may be adversely affected by essential oils. Make sure all essential oils are kept out of reach of children. Number 9, don't ingest essential oils. Though you may read conflicting information about taking essential oils internally, you should avoid doing this. Some essential oils that are fairly safe to use topically may be quite toxic if taken internally. In addition, some essential oils may interact with prescription or over-the-counter drugs. Always be diligent in researching the types of oils that you choose and the safest ways to use and apply them. As you experiment with and learn more about aromatherapy, you will become more confident using your essential oils. There is so much to explore, so be safe and have fun. I hope you've enjoyed this segment of total healing for the mind, body, and soul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to join me for the next topic. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.